yeah, if you're a lover and you want to feel the love, then come to Love Lakes. Ewan's cousin lives in Dubai, so to... Oh my god. Right, I don't think that's going to work.
Alright. We're in the elevator. Right, go for it.
Ewan's cousin lives in Dubai, so today he is taking us out and we're going on a yellow speedboat tour, which I'm really looking forward to, and then we are going for some dinner at the Palm, so it should be a good day.
It was supposed to be overcast, but it's absolutely roasting. And we're going on a 90-minute boat tour. Feel a wee bit seasick.
When the boat is move on, it is not going to...
It's all David's fault. It's all of this week. We were seasick. Kylie Minogue sang there for £2 million. One song, £2 million. It's good if you can get the work.
A little bit wet.
Just a bit wet, yeah. A little bit wet, but we're happy, aren't we?
Happy about being wet.
So this is a 7-star hotel, and we'll probably go there for a couple of nights. It's only how much per night?
I don't know, in the thousands, in the tens of, yeah.
Yeah, that'll be fine.
Yeah.
$1,800 so the lowest price.
There you go.
Yeah.
$1,800. That's
Yes,
fine. If
yeah.
anybody wants to take us up on, yeah, that's fine. Just give it a shout.
I loved that. Definitely do this if you come to Dubai. It's really good fun. And it even got a little bit wet at one point.
Didn't get too seasick. That was good.
No, you
I was
did all
surprised myself.
That was really good fun. There's lots of different tours. Well, there's 3 different tours you can do. We did the longest one. It was 99 minutes. And it was really worth it because we saw kind of all the key sites in Dubai. So definitely something to do when you're here. It was a little bit bumpy, but it was absolutely fine. I got a little bit sprayed. But yeah, really glad we did that. It's just great to see Dubai from the water, actually.
So we were a bit rubbish yesterday in finishing off the vlog, because after the boat tour we went to a place called the Beach House, which was beautiful, and we just got stuck into some food and never bothered filming anything. But today we're going to go and meet my cousin again and his wife, and we're going to a place called Love Lakes, which is basically a lake in the shape of intertwined hearts. Aww.
Oh my god. I'm going to top and one of like and one's right.
That's so cool. Look at every mouse. That's cool, isn't it?
These are not the white ones, but the orange. Wrong, isn't it?
Feed in the car.
Oh, that's so funny. Oh, that's so amazing. Oh my god, this is amazing. Oh, that is amazing. You got give them.
Oh, they're like these suckers.
Did you give them some food?
Yeah.
Yeah, isn't it?
Yeah, they're like suckers. That one.
That was incredible with the fish, feeding them, and they were just sort of sucking on your fingers, and it was such a weird sensation, but it was cool. That was very cool. I'm not sure it was an activity you can actually do. I think it just happened to be that the ranger was feeding the fish, and we just happened to be lucky.
Love Lakes is quite out of the centre of Dubai. We've only come because Ewan's cousin lives near here. But if you do have a car while you're in Dubai, it's a cool place to come and have a wee stroll round. It's really, really pretty, and I would definitely recommend coming later on in the day if you're visiting in the hotter months, because it is extremely hot right now, but there's a really nice breeze at this time of day, which is lovely. But yeah, if you're a lover and you want to feel the love, then come to Love Lakes.
Camels! Actual camels! Oh my god.